और आपको बताएं कि कोरोना वबा के दौरान बेंगलुरु में मजदूरों के बच्चों को तालीम देकर पुलिस एहलकार ने इंसानियत की शानदार मिसाल कायम की। जी हां, सब इंस्पेक्टर शंथापा अपनी ड्यूटी पर जाने से पहले इन मजदूरों के बच्चों को तालीम देते हैं जिनके पास ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेने के लिए मोबाइल फ़ोन या फिर लैपटॉप नहीं है। सड़क के किनारे बच्चों को बिठाकर मुफ्त तालीम ये देते हैं। शंथापा नहीं चाहते कि अपने वालिदैन की तरह ये बच्चे भी मजदूरी करें।
These kids are the children of migrant workers, sir. These migrant workers came from North Karnataka to here. And see, they have economic distress. They do not have capacity to buy gadgets, mobiles. Now online classes is going on. Apart from that, sir, their parents are illiterate and they are poor. In 2005, when I came to Bangalore, I was also worked as a migrant labor with my relatives. They worked as a migrant labor for almost 1 decade. So I have a close association and organic relationship with them. Whenever I am moving, naturally my inner eyes, not outer eyes, my inner eyes inclines towards these hamlets, these settlements. These settlements do not have any electricity. So if you not provide education, then definitely these kids' future end up with the, like parents. So I don't want these children should go to their work. They should access education. So it's my responsibility to give education in my personal time, sir.